When you need new instrumentation, you need it now. Because in industry, every second counts. With same-day shipment. Siemens global supply chain delivers, even during major disruptions. From a 183,000 square feet, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in North America. World-class engineering, testing, and production. The instruments you need, with the reliability you depend on. Flow. Temperature. Pressure. Level. Weighing. And valve positioning. Delivering the data that keeps your business moving. Your production doesn't stop. So why would we? Measuring everything that matters.